Welcome back to one of our favorite places on Earth, the Alps. In this adventure, we are exploring with our camper the Alp region between Germany and Austria. We are taking on some of the most breathtaking hikes we've ever experienced, with stunning panoramic views around every corner.
And of course, some amazing wildlife.
Stick around until the end, because it's all leading to one huge adrenaline-pumping finale as we conquer our fears and walk across the longest hanging bridge in the world. Hi, my name is Lotte.
And I'm Domek.
We are two crazy birds tripping around our beautiful planet. Together, we are traveling since quite a long time. And ever since, we haven't really stopped and visited around 50 countries since 2004.
We are also enthusiastic hikers, nature and wildlife lovers. It all started with travel photography, and recently we started sharing our adventures on this channel.
We are Touring Birds.
Hello and heartily welcome to another episode. Since everyone requested a new video of us, here it is. This time we are in
Austria.
Oh my god, we have not been so often here, even though we passed it a lot of times. And now the first time we are right on the border to Germany. In Tyrol, and attacking our first summit with like 800 vertical meters, 11k. I'm already
up there, this mountain?
Not quite. This is 1800. There's a little hut where you probably get some nice drinks and maybe a Kaiserschmarrn. We don't know yet. First we need to survive the upclimb. 2k in. I still have a smile on my face, but I will still have this until we are up there. We made our first hike up.
This hike is approved by
Lotte approved it.
That means something.
We're grabbing some drinks now, and then maybe we go up. This up, yes.
That's okay. Hike approved?
Yes.
View approved?
Also yes.
And what are we gonna eat now?
Kaiserschmarrn.
Surprise, surprise!
Again.
This is officially the best food in the world.
Yay. We found some new friends.
Oh,
So the decision has been made that we are going down instead of up, because it was our first real tough hike this year and we don't want to overdo it since we have 3 more planned. And now we enjoy our way down. I'm feeling great. Lotte does feel... I hope you feel great.
I feel great.
She feels great, so yeah, that's about this hike. If you like this kind of content, make sure check our commode. You can be involved in our hikings. Check the link in the description. And make sure
Tell your friends, family and everyone else. Treated ourselves with something fancy in the camper. If you're in the Reute area, don't miss out the breathtaking high plateau Tannheimer Tal.
How was the hike?
Easy.
And at the end of the valley, you reach the German Alps with many hiking trails and culinary treats in between.
And I thought you have to be... No, you don't have to go to Iceland to be behind the waterfall. Good morning for another hiking video. This time features special guest, friend of ours, Simone.
Down the city streets, didn't care about the world, hadn't heard about it all, didn't know about the hurt, didn't know about the fall.
So now, since I'm the one scared of heights, I'm walking over this freaking bridge. Oh my god. Now we're finally on the bridge.
Well, this is even worse than in Costa Rica.
This is scary shit. Over the last, I think 10 years, we've been driving to North Italy, always seen this, but damn, this is fucking scary. Oh my god, here it's the worst. And now we finally managed to come here. So usually we drive here from there, this Germany, Austria, Fernpass, and then to North Italy. This is Bad Breitenstein, and we stay over here. So yeah, it's only scary if you look down. Oh my god, this is wow stuff. It's actually pretty scary. How is it?
A bit scary. But just because of the people, they move so...
Yeah, when I move, the whole thing moves.
Gosh.
The worst part is this.
What did you do? I didn't look down
When
and
we
then
didn't
now.
look down.
And now you look down and it's really...
Oh god.
Oh my god, this is bad. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Side movement. You can't
Nein, don't do that.
If you're afraid of heights, I would not recommend to come here like I am, but I handle it like a champ.
Why again?
Why? Because it looked cool.
Found a way back home. We were the restless ones.